Hello, welcome back to the hallway. David Bradley here. I am your host. So, Datasette Baker's man. Yes, sir. Alright, I have here a video cable with 5 pins and 2 outlets, which gives me hope that this is the Vic off, the Vic is off. This will do it. I am so hopeful. Now, what I need to do is grab the other video cable. Oh, man. People wonder, cables everywhere. Okay, so thankfully I have this other cable that's going to the back. These colors, of course, do not match up. I'll try this. There we have the Vic-20. So now, this cable can go away. So, we have the Vic-20. And life is good. Oh my golly. Oh, cables get so entwined. All right, we're going to get this out of here. Tape. And get this out of here. Oh, cables, leave me alone. How do they get so entwined so quickly? All right. So here's the tape. I'll hit rewind. Of course, won't do anything without the machine turned on. And it won't do anything if the dataset is not plugged in. All right. Dataset is turned in, plugged in. The computer is on. We are rewinding. So this is the Canadian Tire tape that I've done much testing with. It's a very quiet data set. I wonder if it's done. No, it is not done. I think it's doing its thing. It's very quiet, and it's hard to see. Maybe it's not doing its thing. Oh, it looks like it's almost there. Oh, man. Bother. I don't think it's spinning. But it's playing. This is annoying. Alright, but you know what? Wherever it is, none of the programs on here are very long. And I can absolutely see that it's spinning. Oh, let's see what we find. And let's see if it loads. It could possibly be that the belt in this. Oh, found a tank gunner. Loading. That is encouraging. It is. But still, something in this is, I don't know, maybe it needs a little lubrication. Don't we all? I have here another tape here. This is a blank tape by Pulsar, also Canadian Tire. 90 minutes, 129 meters. Which means that I guess each minute... Aha, it's in. List the program. And it's there. Okay, so we'll see that it loaded okay. It does seem to have loaded all right. Let's see if we can save, quote, we'll call it Tanky. We'll press record and play. Saving Tanky. Now, I didn't call it the same thing because I've used this tape a number of times to save a number of things. And I want to know that what it saved is what I saved now, not what it saved from another time on another data set. So Tanky. And this should not take long. It should not take long. And if it does take long, then, well, it didn't do it. I don't know what error it comes up with if it's saving and there's trouble. I don't know. I just don't know. Okay. We're saved. We'll rewind. And I'd like to think that we are rewinding, but I have no faith of that. I think it's really struggling. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to pop it out. Oh, are we there? Do I see the leader? I do not. Okay. I'm going to flip it over and fast forward. Okay, I can see something is spinning here, but it's struggling. See, with these long tapes, it really does put a big strain on everything. This is where at times we would use a Bic pen. Okay, are we there? Is that the leader? It is. Okay, so now I'll turn it over. Close it down. Type in new, so it's gone, and type in load. And I will press play. And I'll see. It's funny, this thing. I wonder what's up with this. It's shaking. It has found Tanky. My gut tells me that this thing is working, but probably it needs a new belt. That's just what my gut tells me. But we'll see. We will see. Load error. All right. We'll rewind. It won't work. Oh, I can hear it. It's battling hard. Like every maybe second I hear a little, oh, I can do this. Did we make it? Yeah, I think we did. Okay. We'll try again. Yeah. Nothing like the excitement of a data set. And I would bet what's happened here is if the belt is not up to snuff, and if things need lubrication, etc., and it's possible that, like, I know, oh, it's on tanky, it's loading. When it's spinning, if it's kind of going and slowing down and speeding up and slowing down and speeding up and slowing down and speeding up because it's struggling, that's going to cause trouble. It is. But it still says it's loading. Anyway, it's encouraging so far as to what's happening. It's just not, not, I mean, it's written it. It's found it. It's loading it. Oh, it's in. Oh, what happened? Oh, yes, when you change the text color to the same as the screen color, it's very hard to see. Yep, tank gunner is working. Oh, if only I could do this with some level of skill. But I am not. So you use the keys. There, I shot one. Woohoo. I believe there's a time limit on this. And I not doing well. But it does work. So the data set is working. But I'm not. Well, if I hear it running poorly there, I've got it fast forwarding. Mind you, this is a long tape. This puts a lot of strain on it. So I'm thinking belt, lubrication, something. But it does seem to be working. Reading and writing, that is most encouraging. Most encouraging. Anyway, I will make notes and I will see what else I can get into. Anyway, thanks so much for coming. Thanks for being here. I think if I press run stop, oh, look at that. Oh, yeah. And there is the program. So I can let this keep fast forwarding. Then maybe I'll try rewinding. And then maybe I'll try unwinding. I've got to get to this pet. Gotta get to this pet and figure out a good angle to shoot from. Anyway, thanks so much for being here. The preliminary findings of this data set are good, but not perfect. Thanks for coming. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.